Let's dive into the Import EP File tab. This is where we can import our estimate data to create our master schedule. To start, let's surf over to our estimating software.
I'm going to go ahead and export the estimate out of Electrical Bid Manager. I'm going to import it into the Construction Profitability Software, and it'll automatically create a schedule for us. So we'll take a look at that. I'm going to go ahead and click on Extension Spreadsheet. You'll notice it's already got an estimate guard selection here. So I'm going to click OK. I'm going to save that into downloads. Then we are going to go out of here and we'll take a look at the Construction Profitability Software. Click on the Import EP File tab. We'll go ahead and browse over to our download folder. Here's our file. I'll go ahead and select it. You can see that that's been imported in. I'm going to click Upload. And then we're going to process that uploaded file. So it wants me to tell it what column we're using for our phase field. Pretty simple. It's going to be this phase field right here. I'll go ahead and select phase, and then for our task fields, we're going to use section, and we'll select the extended labor, price unit, and then we're going to import this data. So you can see the file's been successfully imported. I entered that into a new project here. It's just a generic project that I created real quickly. And we're going to go ahead and take a look at the Gantt chart, and we'll click View Chart. So you can see that all of our phases of construction have been imported, and all of the tasks under those phases of construction have all been imported in for the entire project. And they're already in
the work breakdown structure
that create the flow of the project. The only thing we need to do to complete this Gantt chart is select our crew size. That will change the duration based on how many men we throw at this task, because the software knows how many hours are available for that task. It's going to divide it by the manpower. Then we'll just select our start date for each task, and the Gantt chart will be complete.